Hello developers. So controller in Symfony is the most important file in our Symfony application. Let me tell you how to create a controller quickly in just few seconds. Let's get started. Okay, to create a controller, I will first go to my project folder, that is Symfony 6. I am inside already. So I will write bin/console command, and there are a list of commands which I can use to create anything or to manage our Symfony application. So I will search for the make command, that is there, make controller. Because I need to create a controller, I will use make controller. So bin/controller make controller, and then our controller name that I need to type, that will be Panki controller, any name, whatever you like. Should be capital, should be having camel case. That will be our coding standard for Symfony. So you can see created. One controller is created, that is the src controller, that is the path of the controller, and that is our file. And also one template it has created, templates inside templates folder, then Panki folder. They have created, Symfony has created Panki folder, and a twig file also created. Success box is there, that means that is fine, controller is created. Let me show you where it is created. Okay, you can see Panki controller is there now, and you can see class, everything, all those libraries are already there, already Symfony has provided. And also Panki controller extends abstract controller, that is our base controller, which Symfony every time extends the controller whenever you are creating a new controller. Route, that is /Panki, that means a URL is created. By accessing this URL /Panki, you will be able to see the rendered twig file wherever contents are there. So I will this is the controller name, you can see, and templates is also created. Inside template, if I will show you, Panki is the folder name, then index.html.twig, that file has created, and it is saying hello controller name, then your controller address. Let me quickly go to the URL where I will show you the content. So I will type /Panki, because in controller it has all automatically taken the URL as a /Panki, because Panki is my controller name. So now I will type /Panki. Let me show you how it will be performing and how it will be showing you the content. Okay, now it is saying hello Panki controller. So that directly coming from a HTML twig, because the twig file we are calling in the inside controller, Panki controller. You can see we are rendering through render function. We are calling index.html.twig, that is there, and inside is index.html.twig. What we are saying is hello controller name. What is our controller name? That is Panki controller. That is why it is showing here hello Panki controller. Okay, then this green symbol, correct, I don't know what's the name. Okay, then friendly message is coming from then your controller at your template at, that is your controller at your template at, and this is the path of the controller, and this is the path of the template file. I hope you understood how to create a controller and how to create a route as well. How this is the base of the Symfony application. If you understood this step, then you will be easily able to grab all those steps, whatever I will be telling you in next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.